The Blockus mod colored light bug in Photon shaders is finally fixed right now. This guide will walk you through restoring correct lighting so you can enjoy your game visuals again. If that first step of editing the shader configuration files didn't clear the error, the issue often stems from corrupted mod data. Which brings us to method 2, a clean reinstall of the Blockus mod. This ensures no leftover files are causing the conflict. Should the problem persist after that, we move to method 3, which is verifying your game file integrity. This process scans all your game files for corruption and repairs anything broken, often resolving deep-seated bugs. Finally, if none of those steps work, the ultimate solution lies in updating your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers are a common culprit for rendering issues like these colored light problems, and a fresh driver installation will ensure your system can properly process the Photon shaders.